Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 8 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. Sorry, I really had to think what I want to record. So, I believe that if you're watching this tutorial, there is a huge probability that you've accidentally changed the language and you have no idea what to do. So I will try to do it as slow as possible and be as descriptive as I can. But obviously, feel free to stop the video whenever you're feeling unsure, etc. So the first thing we need to do is to localize the settings. And well, the easiest way is to simply find the gear icon. It should look like it, obviously, if you've got a default icon pack. So it should look something like that. There is a possibility that you will find it in one of the home pages, or if you've got the app drawer, just open it and try to find the settings and tap on them. It doesn't matter where we start. I mean, if you're somewhere deep in the settings or whatever, I highly recommend to simply go back to this general list of the settings. Obviously, if you've got the device opened, it's easier because it always appears on the left. If not, if you've got it closed, just all you need to do. Oh my God. Let me just open it. All you need to do is to make sure that you're getting back to this list, right? So simply do it. Just go to the settings. And in this list, we need to scroll all the way down, just like that. And localize general management. So find the 3 bars icon, 3 switchers icon, and it is also the 5th option from the bottom. So general management here. Now we need to tap on this first option, so language. And here we've got the list of languages. So just tap on any language. So the plus icon, obviously. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages. So find yours and tap on it. I'll pick Greek. Tap on the region. And now it's quite important to tap on the option on the right, which is set as default. So just tap on it. And as you can see at the top, we've got our new language applied. If you are in the situation that you've got your language here, so for example, I've accidentally changed to the Greek and I really want to have English and it is available here, then all we need to do is to tap on it. We do not really need to enter this plus icon, etc. Just tap on English in my case and tap on this big blue button. And as you can see, we've got English applied. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on select in the right upper corner, mark the language and tap on remove. Tap on remove and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.